How to drink water on Metro 2055. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Are you on Metro 2055 and you are trying to drink the water in your inventory? If yes, go ahead and launch open the game on your device first and open up your backpack or your inventory at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside your backpack, select the water bottle from the inventory and click on Use at the bottom right corner and you'll be able to drink the water. After drinking the water, check your health bar or hydration at the top. You should see it slowly increase or stabilize. So that's it. Drinking water in Metro 2055 is all about finding the item, equipping it, and using it at the right time. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.